Good morning students. Today's topic is exponent. From question number 3 up till second we have learnt in previous video. Question number 3, this is 1 upon 2 to the power 5 upon 1 upon 2 to the power 3 minus 1 upon 2 to the power 6 upon 1 upon 2 to the power 5. So how we will solve this? We will solve this separately. Up till here we can apply law. You see here both the bases are same. So power will be subtracted. So here I have solved this part, 5 minus 3 minus here this part is 6 minus 5. Bases are same, 6 minus 5. 5 minus 3 power 2 and 6 minus 5 it is 1. So 1 upon 2 to the power 2 minus 1 upon 2 to the power 1 means this will be written 2 times. 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. So this implies this equal to 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. So 4 is the LCM and this is the solution is minus 1 upon 4. 1 minus 2 will be minus 1. So minus 1 upon 4. Question number 4, third part. 1 to the power 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0. So here in every basis power is 0. So here we will apply which law? You remember this law? X to the power 0 is equal to 1. So x to the power this is 0. So x to the power 0 is equal to 1 means all this will become 1 1 1 1 1. So 1 multiplied 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, and in between plus sign is here. So 1 plus 1, this is answer is 3. Now question number 5, find the value of x. Here this is new thing for you. Because we have to find the value of x. So this is a linear equation question. So in previous year you have learnt linear equation, but here this linear equation form x is given on the exponent. So new thing we have to learn. So for this main concept is this, which is not given in your book. This is the law of exponent which is not given in your book. X to the power m is equal to x to the power n is equal to m is equal to n. This is the n. M is equal to n. So what is the law? If the bases are same, so their power will be same. We will apply this concept here. So our duty is to make the bases same. So how we will make the base same? 3 upon 4 this base, 3 upon 4 this base, and 3 multiplied by 3. So it will become 9. So 3 upon 4 to the power 2x plus 1 and 3 upon 4 to the power 3 is 9. Here I have written. So this is 2x plus 1 here and 9 here. And where this gone? 3 upon 4 and 3 upon 4, you are thinking that where this gone? So by this law. If the bases are same, so we can equate their power. So I am equating their power. 2x plus 1 is equal to 9. We can write by this way. Achha, after this, how to solve the equation? In class 6 we have learnt how to solve the linear equation. By this concept I am solving, and after teaching linear equation chapter this year, we will solve this question by another way, that is called transpose method. Transpose method is the advanced method. So I will teach that method when I will start that chapter. So now up till now we will solve by class 6 method. So you remember how we have solved? 2x plus 1 is equal to 9 means x का value लाना है. So 1 we have to remove. How we will remove? In between plus is given. So we will subtract both side 1. So that I have subtracted 1 both side. So 1 subtracted. So what got? 2x is equal to 8. 1 minus 1 0. Only 2x left hand side. And right hand side 9 minus 1 8 left. Then 2x. We have to find only x. So how we will remove this 2? By division, divided by 2. So x is equal to 4. This is the answer of this question. Now I am solving this question number 5, fourth part. This is also like this, only a little bit different is given. Here different thing is, in this question 1 upon 16 is the different, because all where you can see bases are 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Here not given any base. So and how we have to convert into this form. Whenever the value of x you have to find, and x is given in exponent means your duty is to make the bases same. So here see, this base is not same, it is 1 upon 16. So how we can write 1 upon 2 to the power, so that all the bases should be same? So you think 1 upon 16 can be written as 1 upon 2 to the power 4, because 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, 1 upon 16. So this I am writing this in this form. Why I am writing this form? Because here all these bases will be same, so we can apply this law. So 1 upon 16 became this, 1 upon 2 to the power 2 is as it is, 1 upon 2 to the power this is as it is. Here we can apply law first. Bases are same, so 4 and in between multiplication है, so 4 plus 2, and this side as it is I am writing. Now you can see 4 plus 2, it means it is 6. So 1 upon 2 to the power 6, left hand side became finally 1 upon 2 to the power 6. So after solution of this 1 upon 2 to the power 6, and right hand side I have not done anything, you can see from the beginning as it is. So you can see now, after this I am solving this side. After this, if the bases are same, so we can equate their power. So 6 is equal to this 3 within bracket x minus 2. Achha, how we will solve this? Again by the law, by the equation solution. So first of all we will remove this 3. So to remove this 3 in between, here out of bracket multiplication sign is there, so we will divide both side by 3. So this 3 cancelled, and 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja this side 2, 3 cancelled. What is left? This side x minus 2. Now how we can remove this minus 2? Because this side we want only x. Achha, one more thing you remember, x is either left hand side or right hand side, that is not matter. Whenever it is given, find the value of x. फिर से सुन लो, जब वैल्यू ऑफ x निकालना है तो x लेफ्ट हैंड में रहे चाहे राइट हैंड में रहे, किसी भी तरफ रहे, आप लोग उसको ट्रांसपोज नहीं करना है, x को उधर ही रहने देना है. बिकॉज सम पेरेंट्स में टीच इसको x को इधर ले आते हैं, मतलब दे सॉल्व इन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ओनली. कुछ टीचर लोग भी सॉल्व कराते हैं कि x को लेफ्ट में हैंड में ही रखेंगे. दैट इज नॉट नेसेसरी, क्योंकि ये इक्वेशन है. इक्वेशन मतलब क्या है? दिस इज लाइक बैलेंस. इन द बैलेंस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड बोथ साइड इट इज इक्वल. वन साइड you will put vegetable and another side you will put any weight. So that is not matter कि LHS side only you will put weight or potato. So equation is also like that. So whether x is left hand side or right hand side, that is not matter. So you solve as it is. So x minus 2, both side we will add plus 2, because the opposite of minus 2 is the positive 2. So after adding this 2 already given left hand side, we are adding 2 both side. So 2 plus 2 4, and this 2 minus this both cancelled, x is left. So x is equal to 4 is the answer of this question. So your homework is question number 3, 4, 5. These 3 questions, rest part solve.